Hey everyone, and welcome back to Softbox. Now, one of my most favorite things is space, so I thought I would try out one of the star projectors and see if it works well. Now, this one is called the Star Master, and I'm a little disappointed how it came. It came all dented on the side, so I hope that it is not damaged. So let's get into this box and see what's inside. This is what it looks like when you first open the package. Oh, well, that came off. I hope that's okay. It's a little hard to maneuver out of the package. That's probably because it was dented. It comes with this little plastic over it. And it requires batteries. I thought this would be plugged into the wall, but I guess not. But that is okay. I'm wondering, I guess that's just a plastic thing for the top. So we have a battery compartment down here. Looks like 3 AA batteries. And then we have, it does look like it should come with a thing for the wall, but I do not see one, which is a little concerning. I'm not sure what this is for because there is nothing else in the box. So, yeah. I guess we'll put some batteries in here and see if it works. I do want to mention this was $5. So, the quality might not be very good. It didn't have, like, good reviews. It was kind of in the middle, but I wanted to test it out to see. So, as soon as I put the last battery in it, oh, can we focus here? As soon as I put the last battery in it, it just started turning on. I'm not sure how you turn it off. Do you have to hold this? Is this supposed to? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, once you put a battery in it, it doesn't turn off. And there's no instructions. That's what it looks like at the moment with no lights turned off. So let's turn some lights off and see what happens. So this is not, it doesn't really feel like a star shower. It just feels like a disco. It's just kind of throwing a bunch of lights everywhere instead of what you'd expect from like a star projection thing. I don't understand what they mean with the like things that you rotate. I don't think that'll change anything about it. It says like May and October and all the different months. These are just random kind of things. Oh, there we go. There's more of kind of a stationary thing, but it's more of just kind of like decorative kind of stars. And it's still kind of strobing out there. What does that do? Okay, it goes back to this. So I guess it only has 2 settings, strobe and then strobe with some stationary lights. I now know why this doesn't have very many good reviews. I just realized that there's 2 separate buttons. One turns on that LED and the other turns on the like strobe. They're on the side. You can see LED and then the other one is star. So the star one turns on and off the stars, and the LED one turns on and off the LED, so you can have no stars, just LED, and vice versa. Just want to point that out. But there still is no off button. On or off button. I can't believe it. Unless I'm missing something. I'm holding both buttons. They're doing nothing. That's terrible. But I wouldn't recommend it as a star shower. It's not, it doesn't project like little stars or anything like some of the other star showers do. I believe one called the Star Shower. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please leave me a like and subscribe. As always, there will be links to the product in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. So I noticed something after turning the camera off and picking those up to take the batteries out. This plastic part fell off when I took it out, and it's supposed to case this other white plastic on the top instead of being like fallen on top of the other LEDs. So now we have stars up above and around. So that's cool.